Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Mansoor, and I'm a trainer of spoken English. Hope you're doing very well today. A lot of people ask me questions how to improve communication skills. They think that English is really very difficult. It's not the right thing. English is really very easy to understand, and you can speak English really very well. Let me give you some tips how to improve communication skills. This year, you set yourself a challenge. You need to take some steps that works for you to improve your language. Just 30 minutes a day. Complete a task like learning grammar rules. A new rule every single day. Reading a short stories, improve your vocabulary. Okay, try some steps to improve your communication skills. I know your ego will stop you from doing things, but never ever give up. Don't give up on anything in life. Try to do what you love the most. Okay, wake up early in the morning. Whenever you wake up early in the morning, turn off the alarm, get out of the bed, and do what you're supposed to do. Do you know? Let me tell you one thing. Do you know that Thomas Alva Edison, who invented a light bulb, he did 9,999 unsuccessful attempts, and he was successful at 10,000 attempts. See, he failed so many times, and he he didn't. His commitment to make become successful in inventing a light bulb was so powerful. Okay, so let's make a commitment to the promises you make to yourself and tell yourself that I will improve my communication skills. Okay, then only you will be able to achieve success. I have never met anybody who became incredibly successful in any area of their life until they have suffered and sweated and sacrificed and kept their focus and fought through tears and trials and tests. And if you have a dream and you commit to it, it will come. Okay? And when you have a success in today's world, try to repeat it again in the same way possible. You will become successful again. Okay? So that's all for today. Thanks a lot.